Welcome all of you in Standard 10 Mathematics Part 2. We see the chapter Circle, in which we last time see the theorems which are related to the tangents and the secant. Now we solve the practice set 3.1, in which the first example, which is given as like this. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 cm. Line AB is a tangent to at A. Answer the following question. Which are of these questions are related to this? Is are nothing but first is that what is the measure of angle CAB and Y? And second is what is the distance of point C from line AB and Y? Now the third question in this is a distance AB is equal to 6 cm. Find distance BC. And the fourth last is that what is the measure of angle ABC and Y. Now we solve this example is like this. In here we given as like the first example, first question, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree because line AB is a tangent at point A to the circle of center C and the tangent theorem. What is the tangent theorem? This theorem is nothing but a perpendicular to the radius. The line which is a perpendicular to the radius through point of contact, then this line is a tangent to that circle of a circle. Now the second one of answer is that the distance of point C from line AB is 6 cm because of the tangent is perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. This is nothing but a tangent theorem. Now the third answer of this is nothing but a distance AB is equal to 6 cm and radius is AC is 6 cm. That means both the segments of a right angle triangle which is formed in this the triangle ABC is nothing but a two segments AB and AC are 6 cm. By using Pythagoras theorem, then we get as BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. That is nothing but BC square is equal to 72. Taken square root on both the side, then we get as BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. That means into bracket distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Now the last one of that is for answer, that is what is the measure of the angle ABC. This angle measure is nothing but a 45 degree because of in this right angle triangle both the segments AC and AB are 6 cm. Therefore this triangle is an isosceles triangle and therefore two segments of the triangle are the congruent, then the opposite angles are also the congruent. In this right angle triangle the one of the angle is 90 degree, therefore remaining two angle congruents, these are nothing but measures is equal to 45 degrees. So that answer of the last question is that the measure of the angle ABC is nothing but 45 degree. Now we see the next question of this the practice set is nothing but in the adjoining figure O is the center of a circle from point R, segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments touching the circle at M and N. If OR is equal to 10 cm and radius of the circle is 5 cm. या आकृतीमध्ये आपल्याला काय दाखवलेले आहे तर एक वर्तुळ दाखवलेले आहे, त्या वर्तुळावरती दोन टँजंट सेगमेंट दर्शवलेले आहेत. आता ती आकृती आपल्याला परत व्यवस्थित करून घ्यावी लागेल आणि त्यामध्ये रेडियस दाखवावं लागेल. तर रेडियस आपण ह्या स्वरूपात दर्शवलेली आहे. पहा नीट रेडियस दाखवलेली आहे आणि त्याद्वारे आपण हे उदाहरण सोडवणार आहोत. इन द फिगर सेगमेंट RM and segment NR are tangent segment. जे दिलेले दोन सेगमेंट्स जे आहेत हे आपल्याला इथं टँजंट सेगमेंट दिसतात. MR and also the NR. These are the two tangent segments. When you join this OR and another radius OM and ON, these two are the radius, then this is a one of a right angle triangle is formed. Also here is a right angle triangle is formed because of tangent is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact L. Also here MR is a tangent to the circle at point of contact M is a perpendicular. Now we see here, therefore OM is perpendicular to MR and here ON is also perpendicular to NR. This is tangent theorem. Now triangle OMR is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, first OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Therefore 10 square is equal to 5 square plus NR square. And then we get as here, so simplifying, MR square is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. Therefore, taking square root on both the side, MR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. And similarly, NR, this NR will be also congruent, so that the segment of this is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Now the second question of that here, we given as what is the measure of the angle MRO. This is the angle MRO. This is one of the angle. Here is OM is equal to 5, OR is equal to 10, and therefore MR is equal to 5 root 3. Then for this angle ORM is equal to 30 degree because of the theorem 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Now in the third question, angle MRN and is equal to angle MRO plus angle ORN. That is, this is the angle MRN is formed is nothing but a addition of two angles MRO plus angle ORN. These two angles sum we get as the angle MRN. That means we write here angle MRN is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Therefore we write the answer in box is equal to angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. Now the third question of this practice set is that here segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. That means here this is the one of the angle is formed MRO and this angle ORN. These two angles we have to show that these are the congruent angle. When these two angles are the congruent, then we say that the segment OR is a bisector of angle MRN. Now we have to prove this because by the using here this one of a theorem, that is we have to prove in a previous that the one of a circle when we draw and give the center of a circle as O, and here is R is one of the exterior point, then we draw the tangent segment MR and NR and one of a segment OR, and then we joined OM to the ON, so that here is right angle triangle will be formed. And now we solve this by the proof. Here in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, segment OM is congruent to the segment ON. These are nothing but a radius of the same circle. These two are the radius of the circle, and so that then we write here segment OR is congruent to the OR. That means this is a one of a common segment in the both the triangles. Now here angle OMR is also congruent to the angle ONR because these two angles are form a right angle because of the theorem of a here 90 degree. Tangent is a perpendicular to the radius, so that this each angle is equal to 90 degree. Now we write here therefore triangle OMR is congruent to the triangle ONR. This is nothing but a hypotenuse side test. This test is used in this the right angle triangle only. Now we see there remaining properties of that. Therefore angle ORM is congruent to the angle ORN. This is nothing but a corresponding angle of congruent triangle. This is the one of an angle is congruent. This angle is congruent to this angle, because these two triangles are the congruent. When the triangles are the congruent, then the remaining parts of that triangle will be also congruent. So that we write here, that is angle ORM is equal to angle ORN. Therefore segment OR is bisect angle MRN, hence the proof. याद्वारे आपल्याला हे सिद्ध झाले. त्यानंतर आता चौथं उदाहरण आहे आपल्याकडे. या ठिकाणी दिलेले आपल्याला पहा, व्हॉट इज द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॅरलल टँजंट्स ऑफ ए सर्कल हॅव्हिंग रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. जस्टिफाय युअर आन्सर. म्हणजे यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिले, एका वर्तुळाला दोन टँजंट्स दाखवल्यात आणि त्या दोन्हीही टँजंट ह्या काय आहेत, पॅरलल आहेत. जर पॅरलल टँजंट असतील आणि रेडियस जर 4.5 सेंटीमीटर असेल तर त्यामधील अंतर, त्या दोन टँजंटमधलं अंतर हे आपल्याला विचारलेलं आहे. मग ते कसं असेल तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला आवश्यक काय आहे, तर आकृती काढणं गरजेचं आहे. ती आकृती आपण या स्वरूपात केलेली आहे. तर पहा, here is a one of a center of a circle is a P you have to taken. Now you draw a circle and here is the point of contact are nothing but Q and also R. These are the two are the point of contact of the tangents. Here is the line L is a tangent, also line M is a tangent to the circle at point R. Now you see here solution of that. Line L and the line M are the two tangents of same circle and also they are the parallel to each other. ते काय आहे, ते एकमेकाला समांतर आहे. When these two tangents are parallel to each other, that means the distance between there is, they are forming a perpendicular. This distance is nothing but a perpendicular to each other. And when we draw such a point, these points are nothing but draw a segment. This is passing through the center of a circle, and so that QR is a form is nothing but a diameter of a circle. So that therefore segment QR is a diameter of a circle. ते काय तयार होईल, त्या वर्तुळाचा तो असेल व्यास. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे व्यास हा काय असतो, त्रिज्येच्या दुप्पट असतो. Therefore perpendicular distance between two tangent, therefore QR is equal to PQ plus PR is equal to 4.5 plus 4.5 is equal to 9, and therefore distance between two tangents is equal to 9 centimeter. This is your answer of the fourth question. Here we solve all these the four questions which are related to the practice set 3.1, in which we have to solve by using a tangent theorem. What is the tangent theorem? When you draw such that one of a circle and we joined one of a line to the point of contact A, that means point A is only one point between the line AB and also the circle of a center, so that this AB is called as a tangent. And when you draw a tangent and then you join this CA, this is nothing but a radius of a circle, and we know that the theorem is nothing but tangent is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. So that this is theorem is regarded, we have to study in here. That means the practice set we get the four answers of these questions we are regarded to the practice set 3.4. So that also solve this question and also basis on these questions and also the theorem we solve another problems. Okay, thank you all of us to join us.